Hey everyone, this is our Howl wireless car horn. Now it comes with one remote control. You can purchase additional remotes if you want, but it does come with one remote control. Now we got the horn facing down because it's pretty loud and we don't want to hurt our ears here. Easy installation. Your black wire coming from your horn will go to a ground somewhere. It could be a battery, anywhere you have a ground source. And your red wire coming from your horn will go to a 12-volt power source. Could be your battery, a fuse, anywhere you have a 12-volt power source. So this is our Howl wireless car horn.